Marilyn, with super insurances, does percentage paid if claimed include fringe benefits? I'm pretty sure it would include exempt benefits if you've got that sort of 50% or whatever percentage your church organisation or charitable organisation pays. I'm pretty sure it would. You could just put a call into Christian Super if you wanted to clarify that, but I think I'm 90% sure that would be the case, that it would be inclusive of your total package. I don't know whether you could get the exempt benefits still, but say for example you had a $60,000 income, 30% of it was exempt benefits. I don't think if you received income protection insurance, if you received a payout, you wouldn't receive the exempt benefits, but you'd receive the 75% of the $60,000. Yeah, maybe best to ask that question of Christian Super and they'll be able to speak to their insurance guys if you do want to be 100% with that one. Good question though.